Vamos a continuar vamos a continuar con las bebidas. Estamos aún en el restaurante y ya hemos recibido la bienvenida, hemos recibido el menú, hemos decidido qué es lo que vamos a comer, the dishes, y ahora vamos a decidir qué es lo que vamos a beber. So we got the greeting, the menu, and the dishes. Now we're going to get the drinks. So the waiter is asking you, what do you like to drink? ¿Qué es lo que va a beber? If she's asking or he's asking you in Spanish, if you go to a Spanish restaurant. ¿Qué es lo que va a beber? What do you like to drink? Or what's going to be, what do you like to drink? Okay? And your answer could be, quiero un vaso de vino español. Quiero, I want, un vaso de vino español. Quiero, I want, a glass of wine, a Spanish wine. Okay? I want a glass of a Spanish wine. Okay? So, that's 2 or 3 things that we can say. Many ways to say. We're going to repeat one more time, and then we're going to go to the last part. That is when you ask for the check. Okay? So, el camarero, the waitress, is telling you, ¿qué es lo que va a beber? What do you want to drink? You answer, quiero un vaso de vino español. I want a glass of Spanish wine. We're going to continue now to the check. We continue the last part of the interaction in a Spanish restaurant or at the Spanish at the restaurant. Usted va a hablar con el camarero y le va a pedir la cuenta. So you're going to talk to the waitress and you're going to ask for the check. Tráigame la cuenta, por favor. You know? Tráigame la cuenta, por favor. Can you bring me the check, please? Okay? Tráigame la cuenta, por favor. A lot of people, not in the restaurant, but a lot of people, they say, how much I owe you, cuánto le debo, but mostly you're going to use that probably in a bar or something like that, but in a restaurant, mostly you're going to say, please give me the check, por favor, deme la cuenta, o tráigame, bring me the check, tráigame la cuenta, por favor, okay? The waitress probably is going to ask you, is going to answer you, yes sir, right away, you know. Ahora mismo se lo traigo. Ahora mismo se lo traigo. Okay? So, you're going to ask for the check. Tráigame la cuenta, por favor. And most likely the answer is going to be, ahora mismo se lo traigo. So I'm going to continue doing these kind of situations. I got a long list of real situations, Spanish and real situations. I think that that's going to help you a lot. I do some classes regarding verbs and grammar and things like this. But if you want to really talk, it's better to learn real situations. What you would say in real situations in English, and you translate more or less that in Spanish. So, me gusta hacer las clases en situaciones reales como esta. Tengo una lista muy grande de diferentes situaciones. en el autobús, en la estación de gasolina, gas stations, you know, bus stations, train stations, you name it, different situations. Así que creo que esto les va a ayudar mucho. Es más importante que las clases de gramática porque tienes que memorizar mucho y para aprender un lenguaje nuevo es importante que aprendas a oír lo que te están diciendo, entenderlo y saber dar la respuesta. Okay? So it's good that you learn how to understand what they tell you and just answer like a logical answer, which you can do that in English because if you ask, for example, in that case, if you ask for a check, then it makes sense. You already finish eating and then you want to get, so it's in your mind, what I'm telling you, it makes sense because it doesn't matter if you speak in English or Spanish, that it makes sense. You already ate, so now you want to pay for it and go. Lo que quiero deciros ahora en español es que todo lo que estamos haciendo hoy tiene una cierta lógica. Cuando ya has acabado de comer, lo que quieres es pagar la cuenta y marcharte del restaurante. Por eso es muy sencillo el memorizar en español las circunstancias que hemos hablado. So thank you very much for your attention and I'll see you next time. Muchas gracias por su atención. Nos vemos el próximo vídeo. Hasta luego.